Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Snowflake login issues, role and authentication errors step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the specific error message you are encountering during the check if you are using the correct credentials, including your username and password. Ensure that your account has been activated. If it's a new account, verify your email for any activation links. Make sure you are entering your credentials in the correct case, as username and passwords are case sensitive. Validate that you are logging into the correct Snowflake region. Check if you are directed to the right URL specific to your region. If you are experiencing role errors, confirm that your user account has been assigned the appropriate roles. Log in as a different user if possible, to determine if the issue is specific to one account or a broader system problem. If you receive an authentication error, check if your password has expired or needs to be reset. When using multi-factor authentication, ensure that your Authenticator app is functioning correctly and that you enter the verification codes timely. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it, following the provided instructions. For troubleshooting, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, then attempt to log in again. Consider using a different web browser or device to see if the issue persists. If you are still having trouble, contact your Snowflake account administrator for assistance with roles and permissions. If necessary, reach out to Snowflake support with as much detail as possible about the error messages you are encountering. Keep a log of the steps you've taken and any error messages received, as this will aid in resolving the issue more quickly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.